So I'm sharing with you guys a haul for some of the stuff that I had to get for the Christmas holidays to make sure we had all the stuff for the baked goods that I want to be making because I'm going to be sending some people cookies and all that good stuff. So this is everything that we got from Wegmans, and everything else is Walmart and Aldi's. So starting from here, I wanted to share this with you guys. Y'all know we don't eat meat, but we do eat seafood. So we have been trying to incorporate different things. So we have the ultimate beefless ground, and I had this before years ago. One of my church members I used to go to church with made a chili with it, and I couldn't tell the difference. So I'm trying this again. I don't know if this is the same brand. I think it was made by Morningstar, but we will try this brand. And this was like $4 something. Then we have these veggie pepperonis, and they actually look just like pepperonis, y'all. And these were like $3.49. And then we have the Impossible Burger. Now, when we got those, this lady heard us and she came and followed us and said, "Oh my gosh, my son is vegan and these are amazing." She was like, "I'm not even vegan. I put this in my chili and I make my burgers with it." She was like, "It is so freaking good." She was like, "I recommend it." She was like, "I know it's pricey, but I recommend it." Now, look at this. This is not even a pound. It is 4 ounces shy of a pound, and this is $9. So yeah, it is pricey. Then we have the Beyond Sausage, which crazy part is Walmart has, certain Walmarts have Beyond Burgers and Beyond different things like Beyond Chicken, stuff like that. So we wanted to try the hot Italian sausage. So I'm going to be doing a spaghetti with this and that on tonight, or probably a penne pasta with cheese. I think I'm going to do that instead. I don't know what you want me to do, spaghetti, babe, or penne pasta? We'll figure it out. Okay. I got some evaporated milk here. We did not eat. It is 3 something, and you guys are about to get this video as soon as I'm done with it. We did not eat, and I had these snacks from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to do another Dollar Tree haul, but since they were open, they were on the counter because it was some stocking stuffers for the girls, so I'm going to do that as a separate video. But anyways, these lemon cookies are the bomb. They taste like the old school lemon cookies. We love them. We was killing them in the car waiting for the girls to come out of school. And then I have some almond extract. I have some coffee. Now, I don't think I've tried the French vanilla at Aldi's for the Keurig, but we shall see how that tastes, and I will let you guys know. The sharp cheddar. This is the one right here. My hubby remembered. I didn't even have it on the list this time, but he remembered and got it for me when he went to go get the root beer and stuff. So I have 2 things of sugar, which I'm going to be baking with. Naya's bagel. She got a thing for bagels again. Wavy chips, barbecue chips, a thing of wild caught cod, and a thing of wild caught flounder. We got both of those from Wegmans, and I think one was like 16 and one was 10. I think the flounder was 10.98 and that was 16.98. Then moving over, I have all my cheeses here, which I told y'all all these cheese has been melting and it went back. I don't know if we had a bad batch or something. It was not melting. It did not taste good, and I wasn't feeling it. So I went back to my old trusty Aldi's cheese. Rizzy loves these brand, the Frigo, however you say it, brand of string cheese. So we got those for her. We got an 18 count of eggs. For those who don't know, I stopped using brown because I was always getting little blood spots, little blood clots in my eggs, and I couldn't stand it. So I went back to white. I've never experienced that with white. Knock on wood, thank God. So, and if so, I guess we'll find something else. So I got my mini cucumbers. I know I love to eat these and dip this in ranch, and my mom-in-law loved these as well. I will be making a lasagna rolls again as one of our meals. That's why, well, you'll see. I got some mushrooms here. I got some semi-sweet chocolate. I forgot to get the white cookies and cream chocolate for my magic bars. And I have a big bag of confectionery sugar, 2 things of cream cheese, 2 things of butter, my flour, some penne pasta. This is the best place to get your penne pasta at Dollar Tree because you get so much more, and this is a big box for $1 than you do. And the elbows, we get the elbows and the penne pasta, and also they started selling lasagna at our store. We didn't used to have that. So I got my condensed milk for my magic bars. I think I already got a can in the did I buy 2? But I think I might have a can in the cabinet already. Sour cream. You think so, babe? Yeah. sour cream for my macaroni and for my pound cakes. Some more apple juice, and we have some cuties mandarins back here, some lemon juice, some mango juice, some orange juice, and let me take this out. And I needed my almond milk. I'm almost out of it. Some more apple juice. I have been having a taste for root beer floats, so that's from Walmart. And my vinegar that I always have to have on deck for washing clothes and cleaning products that I create from Aldi's is cheaper for that big thing. And then we have the honey wheat bread and some ginger ale. So that was a nice quick haul. Oh wait, and I got this pizza. They were $4 something, and it's a huge pizza. And we're gonna put like the pepperonis on there and some extra cheese for when we eat that, which is cheaper because, guys, I don't know how it tastes, but I think we did try their pizza before and it was pretty good. But this is a huge pizza. So the pizzas that we get from DiGiorno's are really good, but they're kind of small. And this was $4.99. And the ones we get from DiGiorno's, from Sam's that are the DiGiorno's brand are like 11 and some change, almost $12. So it was cheaper to buy this bigger pizza and put what we want on it than to get the DiGiorno's deep dish and pull the pepperonis off of it and, you know, waste them. So yeah, we decided to go with this big pizza here for the days that I don't want to cook and we just want to throw something in the oven. So that is my haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you share, make sure you thumbs up the video, and if you are new to my channel, become a reviver, because we only are about positivity over here. And remember, guys, stick to your script because you are the best at it. Oh, and don't forget to hit the notification bell because I put up random videos and you don't want to miss out on the videos. So talk to you guys later, Gators.